How to unbox your EasyFold Power Chair. Start by cutting open the box using scissors or any other safe household tool. Inside every EasyFold package, you'll find the EasyFold charger, the EasyFold joystick, 2 quick connect lithium-ion batteries, the seat that is already attached, the backrest cushion with a storage pouch, and your EasyFold owner's manual. Now, tip the box onto its side to easily slide the EasyFold out of the packaging and remove any remaining plastic or padding. Then, unfold the chair. To attach the backrest, tuck it under the seat and thread it through the loop at the top, then secure it in place with the Velcro. Next, install the joystick onto the armrest. Tighten the support bolt, then plug in the cable by matching the notch and twist to lock it in. Ensure that your chair is out of neutral. Charge your batteries by plugging into the battery directly or through the joystick while the batteries are installed on the chair. Once setup is complete, you're ready to ride and enjoy your EasyFold.